I've been invited to a reception, but I need to be able to put my hands on this digital invitation when I get there. So how am I going to do it? That's what we're talking about today. Hi, this is Frank Buck with a quick Evernote tip. Well, I need to hang on to this invitation, which came in my email, but I don't just want to leave it in email and have to search for it. So what am I going to do? Well, since I have Evernote and I have the Evernote web clipper installed, when I open the invitation, look at what I see right over here and also right up here. It's linked to the Evernote web clipper, so I can click in either place. So I'll just click right down here. It opens up the Evernote web clipper, click, and it's done. Now let's go over to Evernote and take a look at it. Here I am in Evernote, and there's my invitation. Now, how am I going to be able to put my hands on this invitation on that Friday evening when I need it? If I just click anywhere in the body of this invitation, this button becomes available. It says Insert. I'm going to click it, and one of the items says Calendar Event. I'm going to click that. Now, this particular event, it's on my Google Calendar, which means it's on my Evernote calendar located on Evernote Home. Now I'm going to go to the date of this particular invitation, and there it is. It's that zone for reception. I'm going to click, I'm going to say insert, and I'm done. It's now time for the event. I show up, but I need to put my hands on that invitation. So I open Evernote. Evernote Home is the first thing that comes up. I'm looking at that particular day, and here's the event at 4 p.m. Now notice this little icon right here. All I have to do is touch that on my phone and look at what opens up, and there's my invitation. What you're seeing is the power of linking notes you create now to dates that you'll need to see your notes in the future. Thanks for stopping by. This is Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.